gosh, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. I feel so silly. Yes, hello. It's probably been about 5 years since I've been on YouTube, which is actually insane. But I've decided to give it another go and we shall see how it goes, you know? I have been sort of wanting to come back to YouTube for years and so much has happened since I was last on this channel that I feel like I'm just a completely different person from who I was back then, and I thought because of this it means it might be time to give it another shot and, you know, maybe this time it'll stick. A lot of people who I watch on Instagram and TikTok have YouTube and I just love watching their lives and their videos, and I feel like it's more of a sort of... Can you hear the ice cream van? Thank you. As I was saying, so many people I know do YouTube and I love watching their lives, and I always feel like my life is too mundane for YouTube. But then I look at other people's and I feel like everyone's life is mundane, but that's kind of the joy of vlogging. So I've come back, I've decided I'm going to be vlogging now and again. I'm not committing to anything, you know, any kind of schedule just yet. I want to see how it goes. So at the moment I will be vlogging things that I think you will find interesting. Events, trips, days out. See how it goes from there, and then maybe we'll make it a more regular thing. So tonight I am going to the Henley Festival, which I'm very excited for. I have never been to Henley Festival before, and apparently it is the UK's only black tie music festival. I am not a festival girly. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did one festival years ago and I absolutely hated it. I did the camping thing and I was even glamping and I still was like, this is too much for me. This is too far. I am not here for this. But when I found out that Henley Festival is a black tie music festival, this speaks to me. So we are gonna go for this. We are gonna go, and it's about a 2-hour drive from me, so it's going to be a little bit of a long trip, but I'm really excited anyway. And I'm going to be there with Boodles, who are a stunning diamond jewellery brand. I'm sure you've heard of them already. So we'll visit their store and we can have a look at some very, very pretty sparkly things. But let me show you my outfit in the meantime. I'm going to be wearing this absolutely stunning dress from Miele. I actually had this sent around Christmas time, I think, and I've never had the chance to like wear it out properly to an event. I think I wore it at the Shard very recently, but it deserves its moment, you know? And I feel like it's perfect for classy, elegant black tie stuff. What am I saying? I have no idea. Let's just put the dress on. So this is the dress on. I absolutely love it. It fits perfectly. It's so sparkly. I feel like it's just perfect for this event. I haven't quite decided what I want to do with my hair yet. I'm not sure if I want to sort of leave it like this down or go with a kind of low bun or a low side bun. I'll probably just ask my mum because I can't do buns to save my life, so she will be doing that if we decide to go bun route. But yes, this is what I'm wearing. Let's get going. So before I go out, I thought I'd show you a couple of things that just arrived, and one of them is this gorgeous pair of boots from LK Bennett. I have had my eye on these for absolute ages. I've been waiting for them to restock in my size. If you follow me on Instagram, you might recognize this pair of boots. I've had them for about 5 years, probably. I got them on ASOS, and as you can see, they're a little bit worse to wear. They're not leather. I think they're made of some kind of plastic material. But they're so comfy. I wear them all the time. I just wanted an updated pair that weren't so wrecked, basically. And they had these on LK Bennett. So they kindly sent me these. They are so stunning. I cannot wait to wear these out. And they obviously are brand new, so they don't have a million scuffs, and hopefully will be a little bit easier to keep clean. I also had a gorgeous surprise parcel arrive from Space NK with some holiday essentials, and it comes in this beautiful makeup bag, which I will absolutely be using on my travels. And everything in here looks so cute. Hang on, I'm gonna need 2 hands. Okay, we have a lot of different skincare pieces, loads of different brands. I cannot wait to try some of these out. I don't think I've tried any of these products before, so Oh, I love this brand, Sol de Janeiro. So I'm very excited to try that. SPF body lotion. Oh my God, that's going to be so good for my cruise in October. That's going to be amazing. Thank you so much, Space NK. I cannot wait to try. Oh, cannot wait to try all these pieces. They look amazing.
Come talk to me. I love the way you're on to me.
I wanna be with you everywhere. That's right, sing along. I wanna be with.
So we have arrived at Henley Festival. We have, it's too sunny. I should have bought sunglasses, but oh well. We have like a fun fair here. We're gonna go down to the Boodles gallery now and try on some diamonds, which I'm very excited for.
Looking at you, looking like you're wondering if we're here for the same reason. And now that you wanna lay in the sun, getting love drunk, sticking like honey. Yeah, I bet you're here.
I think this is my absolute favorite piece, tennis necklace. I just need a tennis necklace in my life. It's stunning.
Some fun with that someone, feeling that something. If you're looking for a good time, honey, I'm right here.
So if you watch Strictly as much as I do, then you'll know who Debbie McGee is. And we just saw her on a boat and she looked amazing. She was stunning. Anyway, she didn't invite us on for a glass of champagne though, so that was quite sad. But thanks, Debbie. Look at this. Oh, hi. Oh, it's moving. It's on the move. Oh, they're kissing. They're kissing. They're kissing. I'm a huge fan of this artist. I actually really love this too, and I'm very tempted by it. Her name is Corinne Natel. Stunning. So we've just taken our seats at the floating stage, and oh, mother, stop! We've just taken our seats at the floating stage. This is my kind of festival. It's seated allocation. Love that. And we're about to watch Nigel Kennedy, who is the violinist. I've never heard of him, but apparently he's good. So,
This is your.
oh, Mom, look at the dog. This is so cute. I want one made of Oscar. Look how big his paws are. So we just finished watching Nigel and now they're playing the England versus Spain game on the big screen. My dad didn't want to come with me because he wanted to watch football and they are playing it here on the biggest screen ever. Dad, you've missed out. Anyway, I think we are going to leave now. because it's about a 2-hour drive home. But it has been so nice, such a nice evening. It's been super sunny and actually like quite warm considering we're having the worst British summer of all time. But I will leave this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you thought, if you want to see more or less of anything in the future. I'd love your feedback because obviously I have not done YouTube for a very long time, so just let me know what you want to see and I will be sure to include it in the next one. So yeah, thank you so much guys. Bye!